I had no idea that we actually had an aquaponics lab until he started talking about it. I like fish. I like everything with like agriculture and stuff. So I was like, okay, I want to be a part of this. I just didn't realize how many different ways like we can actually grow food. I didn't realize that aquaponics was like such a big thing. I always thought it was just like regular farming in the ground with the soil, but now like learning that we can use fish to help grow out like a bunch of food for everyone to eat, it's amazing.
It was just kind of something I did out of interest, although a lot of it seems like very overwhelming. Like there's a lot of operations, a lot of technology that you need. Most of it you can do at home. Not everything you do, you wouldn't think it's science related, but it is. I didn't think that I'd be measuring so many different chemical values in tanks, but here I am. I think one thing I can take away is that it's very hands-on and it really teaches me to get my hands dirty.
One of my favorite things to do here is catching the fish and weighing them, because I feel like I'm out like actually on like a boat and like I'm grabbing fish and I'm catching them. And then we do a lot of like planting and like feeding the fish. And it's just fun to see how like far the fish grow, from like the little babies to like actual like big fish. It's a lot more refreshing being outside and here. It's definitely better than sitting down at like a desk.
In my personal life, I really wanted to take up gardening, and this was really an environment to just try that. They're not actually from my major at all. Most of them are biology, ecology, and environmental science. So there's a very big disconnect between what I study versus what they study, but it's all science. So there's a lot of things to learn.
Doing environmental science, it's all about like sustainability. It plays a good part in like educating myself and like furthering my understanding of global food sources and that kind of stuff. It's definitely very interesting to see how feeding the fish will then like feed us in the future. And I think if this could get even bigger than what it is now, then it could do a lot of good, especially for like students at Rowan as well. This is a great opportunity to like educate students first, and then also provide food for a lot of students as well. And it's healthy stuff too.
I think coming into this school, I thought heavily about like just saying yes. It really starts a lot if you just throw yourself in there, even though you feel like you're hesitant or you're unsure or you feel like you can mess up. But this is really just a learning environment. If you're interested in this and you're kind of hesitating, just say yes, throw yourself in, send an email, or connect with one of the student volunteers and we'll connect you. And it all just goes from there.